Hey guys, so this is episode 2 for Tree Trunk Water Fountain, and let's just show you guys. Okay, so this is it. On the last, I'm forgetting again. Wait, am I blocking it on accident? Oh yeah. Okay. So, oh my gosh. So this is how we did it. I keep saying for some reason.
You're really bad at speaking.
What was that supposed to mean?
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, so this is what this is. It goes around over there to the tree, and then it comes out right there. And then it also made this expansion that went all the way down.
Dude, that's kind of pointed that way.
Okay, it's right there. So
Kind of
yeah.
pointed to my
Okay, so I think I actually want to show you guys. Okay, so we're telling you something. Tell me something. I forgot what I was gonna say. I forgot what I was gonna say. I forgot. We'll be right back. Oh my gosh! I dropped the phone. Oh my gosh! Oh dang!
How about this?
Oh my
instead
gosh, I dropped the camera.
Instead of saying it to you, we'll actually show it to you a little bit.
Yeah.
He's really bad at typing.
What was that supposed to mean? You're in a very bad mood.
Okay, sorry. And see?
Okay, but last time.
Girl, you can tell everybody.
Or you can tell everyone. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Hey, bad guess. I'm sorry, the burrito.
Ew!
I'm gonna have the Bee Gees later.
Okay, we're gonna end it now.
Dang.
I'm sorry, we have to end this.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't. It's too funny.
You know, we'll be right back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're just gonna. Oh yeah, I had to end up close the whole entire time.
What?
Sorry. Don't get mad at me.
Don't
like those faces.
You're really bad at filming. You're really bad.
I'll do it up again. Oh.
Okay.
You're silver. Okay, so we'll see you guys later.
You're gonna just end the video like that?
Yeah. Now they can see the rest of the backyard. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. We'll end this in the sky. In the clouds of glory.
How about this? What about this?
Okay, bye guys. Ding, ding.